Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set filters on the Filmora application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my new project, and if you want to add different filters to your video, just go to the lower bar and click the filters option next to the effects, and here you can find the filters. At the upper right corner of the home screen you can find the trending filters, different theme, for example the film, mono, basic, portrait and other filters, and just select one and click that and you can apply it for your video. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.